Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to teleport in Hytale. Now, I would like to tell you beforehand that when I say teleport, it's just a simple action, rather than having to create an actual teleporter inside the game. Now we need to do some prerequisites first so you can do this. If you're in your own server, or you're in your own world, open up chat via enter, and type in /op space self. This command allows you to become an operator in Hytale. In simpler terms, this allows you to have God mode on, or for those of you that have played Minecraft, creative mode. Once you've done that, then press O on your keyboard to give yourself creative mode. Then open up your map via pressing the M key on your keyboard. Once you have it up, just right click anywhere on the map, and there should be an option that says teleport. Click it, and when we close the map, voila, you're now in a different location. Unfortunately, this might only apply to teleporting on the surface. For now, there's no way for me to know how to teleport via underground. And that's how to teleport in Hytale.